Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to replace blank cells with text in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to replace the blank cell with text. At first, select your datasheet. Click and drag on your mouse. Then press Ctrl G on our keyboard and go to the special format and select the blank option. Click OK. We can see here automatically select the blank cell. Then we select the find and select drop down menu, choose replace option. Then we can see here the replace text. We write any text, then click replace all, and we can see here all done. We made 3 replacement. Click OK, then close the window. We can see the blank cell we replacement with text easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.